sa mo, Uppuma. Smells good. All the spices come together. What is this for?
You were supposed to.
For my birthday.
This looks good. Voila.
Hello again, folks, and it's me again coming to you live from the best kitchen in the West. And today, I'm alive. Today we're trying a dish which is Uppuma. I really like this because it's a meal all in one. Apparently, in the orphanage where I grew up, no, I wasn't. But anyways, I heard the story that this was a common meal. It's all in one, easy to make, so quick, tasty, cheap ingredients, and boy do they ever come together in a beautiful way. Spicy, salty, a little bit of crunchiness in there. You gotta try it. So good. So apparently, when you want to feed this beautiful dish to little children, you help them along with a little bit of sugar. So you take it, you dip it in a little bit of sugar, and you just add another layer of taste. It's good. I don't think it's needed. As good as this is, I think I like the original recipe without the added sugar. So back to this. So before I sign off from the best kitchen in the West, I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna show you how our dearest goddess eats this same meal. She has it with eggs, avocado, ginger broccoli, which is already online, you can look up the recipe, and the perfect Uppuma in the middle. Isn't that a tad weird that you need all of this to eat something that's already complete? Oh, now regardless of how appealing and tasteful this plate is, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna have any at all because it's lunchtime and I appreciate this special meal that I made just for her. Special meal that I made just for her. This is my creation. Her appetite.
Is this like a spicy quinoa with almonds or cashews? Couscous, maybe? You gotta tell me what the name of this recipe is. Or share it.
Uppuma.
Wow. What's that?
It's something I never heard of until yesterday.
Well, it tastes a lot better than the couscous I used to have. Can I get some for tomorrow? Oh my god, this is so good. I just grabbed some seconds.
Seconds, eh? It's good food. Amazing recipe that uses nothing but cheap available ingredients and make them all so yummy together.
Are you sure they're cheap?
Well, except for the cashews.
Go get your tickets and let's get this party started!